Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling facts, the account ID, timestamps, and any screenshots that show what happened. Once done, read the exact section of the platform's policy cited in your ban notice so you know the basis. Make a short timeline of events and note any mistakes or rule ambiguities. This prepares you to write a focused appeal and avoids wasting time on generic complaints, because the support team responds best to concise, factual submissions. Next, open the official appeal channel and paste your timeline and evidence. Explain clearly why the ban is incorrect or disproportionate, citing the specific policy language you reviewed. Offer corrective steps you will take and request a targeted remedy like account reinstatement or reduced suspension. Keep sentences short and avoid anger. A calm tone increases the chance of escalation. Once submitted, note the ticket number and expected response window so you can follow up efficiently. Finally, track the support thread and reply quickly to any clarification requests, supplying screenshots or account logs as needed. If the decision is unfavorable, politely request escalation or an internal review and provide any new evidence you uncovered. Make platform compliance changes so future issues won't recur. If all avenues fail and the ban is permanent, consider legal advice or official dispute processes rather than trying to bypass restrictions, because circumvention risks further penalties and loss of rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.